Hello guys, in this video I will talk about the 3 best indicators for you to use in trading, but with more focus on not how they are built, but rather on practical usage of them. So no fluff, pure practicality. And those indicators are first the momentum, second is alligator, and third one is awesome oscillator, the AO in shortcut. So firstly, let's roll a quick intro and then we will go straight to the topic. Okay, so mathematical indicators were invented at the very beginning of technical analysis, long before the creation of computer charts. So the first indicators were just a mathematical formula according to which the price average values were calculated. Next, they were plotted as dots in paper price chart and connected with lines. Modern indicators are not very different from those early tools. A modern indicator is also a mathematical formula presented by the software shell that is automatically plotted on the computer price chart, but it is a bit more complex than the calculation of the support and resistance levels, right? So in this video, I'll describe Forex online charts with the attached indicators. I will explain how to employ technical indicators to make money on trading on Forex. And as of now, all indicators are grouped into major types based on the principle of its use. The first one are trend indicators, which are tools aiming at defining the ongoing trend and how long this trend should continue. And the second one are oscillators, which are the indicators used not only to define the trend itself, but also to identify the trend stage and to receive a trading signal to buy or sell inside the trend. And this chart displays both types of indicators. The trend indicators are always directly in the working space. It is natural as they must be following the trend, i.e. the price chart. So the oscillator is in the separate window below the chart. The price chart is not so important for this to work. So the trend indicator in this chart is Bollinger Bands, and the oscillator are presented here by the MACD histogram indicator. So among the common indicators widely used, these two are also worth paying attention to, and they are very effective in practice, like those indicators that we will describe in this video as well. So now let's go down to business and find out the best indicators to trade Forex. So here it is, the top 3 best Forex trading indicators, starting with number 3, the momentum. So the momentum is one of the oldest oscillators. It has been first mentioned before computer analysis was introduced. So this is why it is very simple. This is a Forex price prediction indicator. As all indicators perform quite well in trading high liquidity trading instruments, so let's select, for example, Euro USD. To attach the indicator to the price chart, you need to click on the indicators tab at the top menu of the price chart, and then after you click on the indicator, it will appear in the separate window below the price chart. So before you get started, you need to customize the indicator. Open the settings window where you can format the period of time over which the price movements are averaged, the MA length. And the source type, which is close, it means the closing prices are analyzed. So now you shouldn't change the source box and the length will be 35. Click on the OK button and now the Forex predictor indicator is set. Now let's customize its visualization. The most important in our indicator is the zero line, which is intersected from time to time by the curve line of the indicator. This will be moving average convergence divergence. If the curve line breaks the zero line upside, this is a buy signal. If it breaks downside, it is a sell signal. This is very, very simple. In the default setting, the zero line is not visible, so we need to attach it to the chart using a simple horizontal line, which you'll find on the drawing panel on the left. The zero line is now visible and the signal will be clearer. When the indicator is under the zero line, there is likely to be delivered a buy signal. You should prepare the trade panel for opening a position. First, you need to select the position type. Next, we set the volume of the trade. For example, here it is 0.5 lots. Now we only need to expect a buy signal. And there it was. The indicator curve breaks through the zero line upside, so we open a buy position. We now expect the signal to exit the trade. The exit signal is the one opposite to our buy signal, i.e. the curve breaks through the zero line to the downside. Here the signal is delivered and we can now look at the trade results. And the yield was excellent, it was $18.50. So we can take the profit and exit the trade. That's all. the profit is taken, we can repeat our success and open some more winning trades with our excellent Forex time indicator. You can even base your trading strategy on this indicator alone. But now let's continue with another indicator. So the number 2 is alligator. This is also a trend indicator, and it is located directly in the price chart. So the indicator is quite simple compared to the other Forex market sentiment indicators. It was designed by Bill Williams based on the combined signal of the 3 moving averages. It can be a trading system as well. But okay, that will do for the theory. This time, let's take the USD-JPY currency pair, add the Williams alligator. Just like with any other indicator, we need to format it before we start working, like we did with the previous indicator. We enter the setting and set the values for the periods of the indicator lines of 21, 13, and 8. In general, these are the default values, but if they for some reason are different, correct them. Now let's check how an entry signal is formed. We can enter a buy trade if the red and green lines break through the blue one upside. We enter a sell trade if the green and the red lines break through the blue one to the downside. So in this example, it is a sell trade. To exit, expect an opposite signal with the green and red lines break through the blue line to the upside, as it is displayed in our chart. So another profit is taken and our deposit continues increasing. If you already have trades entered according to the previous indicator, this is the right time to add another couple of trades entered according to the alligator indicator, as the more trades you enter, the higher the total profit. So now the time comes for number 1 indicator, which is the awesome oscillator. This Forex prediction indicator is one of the best to be used in the Forex. This oscillator is designed to deliver trading signals of the divergence, which is the strongest sign of a soon trend reversal and a trend pivot level in technical analysis. So let us start spotting divergences and see how it works. We need to select another currency pair, and let it be USD CAD, and choose the needed indicator, the awesome oscillator. This technical tool was also designed by Bill Williams, an unrivaled expert in the Forex technical analysis indicator. Most of his original trading indicators are the best in their group. Now, custom the indicator settings before you start trading. We will need the trend line from the drawing panel on the left. It will run along the highs of the ongoing uptrend. Draw the line according to the trend highs on the chart, and draw the same line along with the highs of the corresponding trend on the indicator. And it happens so that the tool indicates a downtrend, unlike the price chart where the trend is up. This is called divergence, when the trend on the indicator is opposite to the trend on the price chart. And as the awesome oscillator indicates a downtrend, we expect a sell signal to be delivered to us. So the trading signal to sell is when the red bar on the indicator is below a 0 level. Now we expect the price to move down, and here the indicator delivers a signal to close the position. So the exit signal is when the first green bar is painted below a 0 level after the position is open. So now you are familiar with the 3 different indicators that yield the same real-time results, which means you can make money trading Forex online. Use these tools in your strategies, and do not forget to check new videos on the LiteFinance YouTube channel, where you will learn far more different ways to make profits from Forex trading. So now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.